this is the first update video for an update series that I'm planning, and the concept of that is that I will pop up a video every few weeks, not on the weekly schedule, that just lets you guys know what's happening around here. So what's going on in the garden, what's going on with the chickens. So just lets you know what I have happening, what's going on, and any little thing that pops up, I can talk about it here. And this one, the first one, is pretty special because I have baby chicks. Which I'm really excited about because I wasn't sure if I was actually going to have any chicks this year, because I'd sort of planned not to do any for this season. And I was hoping that they would play the game and come out here so you could see them while I was talking, but they are not playing the game. So we'll have to use the magic of camera technology to show you just how cute these little guys are. So these cute little guys hatched out on Easter Sunday, which I didn't actually plan when I set the eggs under the hen, but it just worked out that way. I just didn't think and do the math ahead, but pretty cool Easter Sunday chicks, which is extra special because here in New Zealand, our seasons are flipped around from the Northern Hemisphere. So we're going into autumn here, not springtime. And I wasn't going to have chicks like I just mentioned, but I was like, we're coming to the end of the season. None of my hens have showed up with surprise chicks, which I was sort of wondering if they would. So we'll take the last opportunity to have some chicks before it gets too cold. And there are 10 chicks. They're really cute. I'm excited to see how many hens and roosters I've got and what they're going to grow up into. In slightly less exciting news, I have planted up my winter greens in here. I got them in just before we had a big 3-day rain event, so I popped the cover on them. They don't need it for the temperature, but I thought they would not be too happy getting rained on for 4 days straight. They're looking pretty good. I did take too long to get them in the ground, which happens every year, and the gardeners amongst you will relate to that. So they are in, and this is the garden that was just crazy, overgrown chaos garden. Didn't actually have any summer crops in here, so it's essentially just had a cover crop in it all summer, and I've cut that down, used it as mulch, and planted my winter greens into it. Going to be the main winter greens bed for the year. I've got some of my other rather overgrown right now gardens where the garlic's going to go, and some more greens will go with them, but I'm not going too hard for the winter garden this year. This will keep us in greens pretty nicely through most of the cold months, and I'm just working on slowly turning over each garden bed to get it ready to rest through the winter so I can plant into it in the spring, which I am not quite looking forward to yet. I'm looking forward to my winter break that's looming on the horizon. The gardens get pretty intense over the summer-autumn season. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little update. If you have any questions for me that you would like me to address in future updates, feel free to pop them in the comments below, and I am sure you're going to see a lot more footage of those adorable chicks because I'm pretty happy with them.